Okay guys, so I put olive oil here. I cut this and I continued that. This is part 3 of the cooking. So let's do it. Okay, the fire wasn't on. Let's add some of this. Also, I recommend you guys are eating so that you don't get hungry. Okay, stay right here. Oh. Okay, we're done with that. Now, the next step, we're going to add these, the garlic and coriander or cilantro. Okay. I did wash my hands before this, which is recommended, but you also have to do it. I can hear it sizzling like some popcorn. Okay, let's do this. I'm excited to eat this after. I can smell it. Oh no, it spilled out. I can't touch that because it's very hot. Okay, I think we should be good now. Good. It's all green. The garlic just turned from white to green. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked and subscribed on the second and first part. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!